Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we are all about making your online experience a breeze. In today's video, we are going to be showing you how to create a PayPal account in Ghana, Nigeria and all other banned countries. If you have ever found yourself frustrated by the restrictions placed on your online transactions, then this video is for you. With our step-by-step guide, you will be up and running with a fully functioning PayPal account in no time. So grab your devices and let's get started on this exciting journey together. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to comment below with the hashtag PayPal account. Your feedback and support are what keep us going, so we can continue to bring you the latest and greatest in online solutions. Okay guys, so now to create a PayPal account, first you have to go to paypal.com/ls. The LS stands for Lesotho. So all we have to do is just click on this button which says sign up for free. As you can see on this page, it says sign up for PayPal. It's free. Choose from two types of accounts, personal and business accounts. Okay, so now the difference here is that the personal account is only used for shopping, whilst the business account is used for shopping and also receiving payments. I bet you would want to create a business account. So let's dive into it. So all we have to do is just click here, like so, to create a PayPal account. Then we click on continue. So as you can see, after clicking on the continue button, it brings us to this page and it asks us to verify we are not a robot. So all you have to do is just click on the verification button here. Then we select the squares with motors, like so. Then click on the next button here. Then choose squares with the motorcycle. I think this is okay. Then click on verify. It says please try again. So traffic lights. So just click here, click here, click here, click here. Verify. And we have been verified. So it quickly jumps us to the next step here, and it's asking us to enter the email address we will use to sign up or log in. So all we have to do is just enter the email address, like so. Then we click on the continue button. So after entering your email address, we need to enter a password, and as you can see, the password must be between 8 to 20 characters, an upper and lowercase letter, and a number or a symbol attached to the password. So I'll quickly enter my password here. So after entering the password, I click on continue, like so. Then here it says tell us about your business. We will confirm your information to help keep your account secure. So here you enter your business contact. So the first is enter your legal first name. So have to do is just enter your legal first name, like so. Then your last name. Then your legal business name. Obviously most people do not have business name, so I'll just retype my name as my business name. So like so, here is my business name. Then I'll just change this +266 to any country that you are in. I'm currently in Ghana, so I'll select Ghana for this example. Then I'll enter my phone details like so. So after entering your phone number, you have to enter your business address here. So I'll quickly enter my address like so. Then here it says you can add an address to, but I prefer you leave it blank. So here it comes city, town or village. So just input your city here. So you come here, city, town or village, you enter your city here or village or town. You enter your region here, the region, you enter your region here. Then you enter your postal code. And if you don't know your postal code, all you have to do is just go to Google and search Ghana postal code, or you can change it to your country, for example Nigeria postal code. So as you can see here, they are saying AK039, so I'll just go there, AK then 039. Then you want to make your primary currency the US dollar. Then you just check this box and click on agree and continue. So to bring you to this page here, which will say describe your business, so all you have to do is just select your business type, and I know most of you are individual or sole proprietorship. Then your product or service keywords. So you just, I'm in the digital area, so I'll just take the digital goods, media, books, movies and music. And the website is optional. If you have a website, you can add your website here, but I'll not add it now. I'll just click on continue. After clicking on the continue button, it will bring you to this page which will say tell us more about yourself here. Then the first question is your date of birth. So the day, just type your day like so. Then you select your month, then the year you were born, then your nationality. I'm a Ghanaian, so I'll just choose Ghanaian. Then your identity document, select your national ID, your passport or your driver's license. Then you enter your national ID number if you chose the national ID. So let me enter my national ID number like so. So after you are done entering your national ID number, you have to just tick this box which says home address is same as business address. Then you click on submit. So as you can see, your PayPal account has been created, and if you want me to do a video on how to confirm your email address and link and confirm your debit or credit card, comment it down below, and also comment hashtag how to create PayPal. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to like, subscribe and share. Make sure to watch more of my videos. Bye bye.